Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your Epic Games account. Follow these steps to enable it quickly and easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Epic Games website and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your account name in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Password and Security. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if need. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Scroll down to the two-factor authentication section. You will see options for enabling 2FA via an authentication app, email, or SMS. Choose your preferred method and follow the on-screen instructions to set it up. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After successfully enabling 2FA, make sure to save your changes. You may receive a confirmation email or message depending on the method you chose. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Epic Games account with two-factor authentication. Stay safe while gaming.